Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Is dealing with used cooking oil a hassle? What if I told you there is no need to throw it away? Today, I will show you 5 effective ways to clean and reuse your cooking oil, saving your money and reducing waste. Let's dive in. Method number 1. Using a coffee filter. Start by placing a coffee filter inside a funnel or strainer over a bowl. Slowly pour the used oil through the filter. The coffee filter will trap food particles and impurities, leaving you with cleaner oil. Method number 2. Using potato slices. Potatoes have natural absorbent properties. Cut a potato into thick slices and place them in your used oil. Heat the oil gently for about 10 minutes. The potato slices will attract and absorb impurities. Method number 3. Gelatin clarification. Dissolve a packet of unflavored gelatin in warm water. Pour the gelatin mixture into the used oil while it's still warm. Then stir gently. As the oil cools, the gelatin will coagulate, trapping impurities. Once the oil is fully cooled, strain it to remove the gelatin. Method number 4. Using cornstarch. Mix a tablespoon of cornstarch with a little water to form a slurry. Add the slurry to the warm oil and stir. Heat the mixture gently for about 10 minutes. The cornstarch will bind to the impurities, which will then settle at the bottom. Once cooled, strain the oil to remove the settled cornstarch. Method number 5. Freezing the oil. Pour the used oil into a container and place it in a freezer. Once the oil is frozen, scrape off the top layer of impurities. The clean oil will be left at the bottom. Let it thaw and strain it before use. There you have it. 5 simple methods to clean your used cooking oil. Not only do these techniques save your money, but they also help reduce waste. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.